Are you guys ready for another pop-up video? You know, because it's like POPMART. Yeah. So, as you know, everyone is obsessed with the little Labubus and Skullpandas and everything that has to do with POPMART and blind boxes, as well as me. I have gotten addicted. I am totally hooked. I'm addicted. I can't stop, won't stop. Don't make me stop, you know, like, I just want to pop, pop, pop. So, yes, I love these little guys. The little Labubus, Labu, Labubu, Labu, Labubu. So, as you know, I already got my first set, which was the Have a Seat Labus, and I was so lucky to get the secret right here on my very first set. Ding! So, I have more coming for me and my little niece to open, but until then, I have another set of Big Into Energy! So these are my very first Big Into Energy Labubus. I am super excited for these. My niece said these ones were the best ones because they are the most colorful ones. She says she wants love or luck, and I'm happy with any of them. I did tell her the set was mine. I do have some coming for her, so love you, Grace. Mwah. So, I was just getting ready to go out for my run, and this was on the porch. So I was like, ah, video! So, this just got here. I'm super excited for this guy. We are going to open her right here on camera. Ah, so satisfying! Oh my gosh, you guys. I cannot tell you how excited I am. So, I don't even want to tell you how much I snagged this box for, but let's just say these little things are not cheap, and people are reselling these for crazy amounts of money. Yeah, so I open her like that. I don't like flip the top open, as you can see. So, we're gonna bend her all the way like that. Bam! Bam! So, here they are. Last time I opened 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I think that's what I'm gonna do right now. Let's just try to get one of these out. Ah, look at it! How cute! My very first Big Into Energy. Oh my gosh. Straight from POPMART from China. It has the little scanning code here that I'm covering because I don't want you guys to scan it before I do. But I'll scan it before I even put this up. But yeah, so hopefully since we got the set, we got one of each of them. Like I said, my first set I got super lucky and got the secret. So, here we go! That one sucked. Oh my gosh, this is literally so hard. There we go. Oh my gosh. Do you see how long that freaking took me to get this thing out? Whew. Okay. You better be worth it, Labubs. Ah. Okay. Here it is, you guys. First, Big Into Energy! Hope. Oh my gosh. So I have a little Hope. She's so freaking cute. Look at her little feet. Her arms, her head, her face. Oh my gosh, she's just so freaking cute. That one ripped a lot easier. Okay. Won't look at the card. Are you ready? Ding! Oh, the purple pink one! Loyalty! Oh, I love her little yellow. Oh, she's so cute. You guys, these are so adorable. I love, love, love the Labubus. Okay, so we have box 1 and 2 down. Next, we're gonna do this corner in the front right here. Hope for another good tab. Nice, nice. That first one was just a klutz. Okay. Please, please, please. The green one! I think this one's Hope, right? No, Serenity. Oh, she's so cute too. Okay, so the first 3, we have Loyalty, we have Hope, and we have Serenity. So the back row should be Love, Luck, and Happiness, unless it's The Secret, which I'm kind of thinking The Secret is the front corner one in all of the boxes, just because it was in that one. So I could be totally wrong, but we're gonna do the back middle right here. Pop her open. Okay, this one feels really small. Oh, we got Happiness and we had a man down. We had a Labubu down, bitch. She saw Hope and she was like, ah! Anyways, back to this. I just noticed that the cards are different on the Big Into Energy. The Have a Seat ones are like these clear, little transparent cards, which are really cute. But the Big Into Energy is more like an actual, like a baseball card or a Pokemon card. We have this corner. Uh-oh. This one's like glued down good. Yeah, this one's gonna be a problem. Damn it. There we go. Okay, next one. Whew. Okay. What is she? This one's Love. I like this one. You guys, I love the matching tops. These are just so adorable. Labu, labu, labu. Okay, last but not least. So this one should be... So this one should be Luck. Okay. Let's just get it over with. Ah, so cute! So we got Luck. Alright, you guys, so these are the Big Into Energy Labubus! I am so excited that my original Have a Seats have some friends. Oh, Labubu down! So yeah, I'm super excited that my original Labubus have some friends now, along with some Skullpanda girlfriends, even though I think they're all girls except for The Secret right here. So, yes. I have more coming, and me and my niece will do some unboxings for you guys, and I will see you on the next one. Pop-up video! POPMART! Ding! Ready? Here we go. POPMART video! Ding! Here we go. Pop-up video! Ding! Get it? Because, like, POPMART.